Revving up the future, China's truck industry accelerates adoption of cutting-edge driver assist technology. China's trucking revolution, fleet dominance fuels driver assist tech boom. The landscape of China's truck industry is shifting, with fleets taking the lead. This transformation, driven by cost-saving motivations, has turbocharged the demand for cutting-edge driver assist technology, making it a red-hot commodity in the tight economic climate.
Download Toro Alerts app and get free options alerts for 2 weeks.